Hello everybody, Photojunky here from Photojunky's Drone Zone. In this video, we are going to be changing the battery in my V30 ThinQ cell phone. Unfortunately, LG decided to discontinue their cell phone line. I'm not sure why, but probably because they weren't making money. Why else would they do it? So I'm going to use this one just for playing music, storing music files, maybe surfing the internet once in a while. I ended up buying a Samsung, or should I say I went back to Samsung, which is a great phone and the battery life is unbelievable. This one, battery life was pretty decent until the very end when it wore out and I had to charge it every, hour or so, and then it wouldn't take a charge. So hopefully it is the battery, and we'll find out in just a bit. Let's get started. All right, first thing you want to do is take out the SD card bay. That little tool here they give you. Take it out. As you can see, there's nothing in mine because it's all in my new phone. And put it to the side. Ooh, that was very hot. Don't melt your phone. Just get it pretty hot so you can pry off the adhesive. Now, take a suction cup. If you don't have one, you can use duct tape. Put it down on one of the ends. There we go. Take your little pry tool and hope you can start prying off a corner. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Took this little razor blade here and I stuck it just in that corner. I was able to start prying it up. So I'm going to be really careful. I'm not going to stick it in too far. And I'm just going to do it enough just so I can get the real tool in there. Okay, the real tool is in there. Now I'm going to start prying it all the way around. Not sure what to do about this adhesive. We'll worry about that when we close it up. So, now we have, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think there are 10 screws. So let's start doing it. All right, we're down to our last screw here. And that is that. Now we have the battery cable here, and you just want to pry it up real gently, just like that. And now we're going to pry out the battery. Well, my little pry tool has had it. It's not prying anymore. It's just broken, as you can see. I don't know if it can focus that closely. Anyway, so I'm going to do what you shouldn't do, but there is enough room in here, I believe, to kind of just start lifting up. Bit of adhesive there. Yeah, there is. Or was, I should say. Well, all right, so now Alright, getting that right was not easy. I'm hoping it's right. going to slip this back in. Push down on all the edges. You know what? Let's get a couple screws in to hold it in place. All right, now we're going to put the case back on. And we are going to hope for the best. Start it up, 77% battery. That's much better. It would only hold 25% before, and then die in about a half hour. Thumbs up. Oh yeah.